Hello and welcome to this installation guide and review of the Olixar full cover glass screen protector. I'll be applying the S9 Plus version of the protector today, however both the S9 and the S9 Plus versions feature the exact same installation method, so this video can be followed for both models. To start with, you'll need to ensure that your phone screen is thoroughly prepared, and thankfully Olixar provide you with cleaning accessories in order to do so. You'll need to start by using the cleaning wipe like so in order to loosen and remove fingerprints, grease and dirt, after which you'll need to give your phone a rub down with the microfiber cloth before then finishing off with a dust removal sticker, which will lift away any remaining pieces of dust and debris. With your screen ready, you can now turn your attention to the protector itself. By removing the back cover like so, you can then begin lowering the full cover into place, paying close attention to the cutouts at the top of the protector to ensure correct alignment. If you do get this wrong, then fear not, as the protector can be lifted away and reapplied so long as you haven't applied any pressure to the edges. Once happy with your alignment, you can then begin providing a firm press around the protector's edges so as to firmly attach the protector to the phone. This will leave the protector perfectly adhered and ready for use, although at this stage we do recommend turning on Samsung's latest feature designed specifically for screen protectors. Simply go to your settings, then advanced features, before scrolling to the bottom where you'll find the touch sensitivity setting, which of course you'll want to turn on. This will make using your phone with a screen protector attached even easier by making your phone more sensitive to light touches without taking away from the overall experience. With the installation complete, you can now begin enjoying your S9 or S9 Plus with the Olixar full cover attached. The protector keeps your precious new screen well protected against scratches and scrapes, while just as responsive, allowing you to type long texts and emails or play games with pinpoint precision. The overall look of the protector is also very appealing. It blends perfectly with the phone, creating an almost identical feel. In summary, the full cover is an ideal choice for those looking for a robust protector that will blend in perfectly, while also creating a smooth and responsive feel. If you would like to know more or even to purchase this amazing protector, then I'll be leaving a link for both versions in the comments and description below.